CYCC is showing an immense amount of strength within a longer term bearish trend. The stock is trending after a highly volatile session characterized by multiple intraday trading halts and dramatic price swings. The stock's sudden surge and sharp pullbacks have caught the attention of day traders and momentum players looking to capitalize on quick moves. Community discussions across trading forums and social media are buzzing with short-term profit-taking strategies as traders share entry and exit points, scalp setups, and warning signs of potential rock pools. A major factor behind this intense action is CYCC's extremely low float, which means there are relatively few shares available to trade, amplifying price moves when volume spikes. Additionally, a recent reverse stock split has made the float even tighter, further fueling speculative moves and increasing the risk of outsized volatility. While some traders see the potential for another squeeze or continuation run if momentum holds, others are sounding alarms about holding the stock for more than a few hours, pointing to the company's history of dilution, previous pump and dump cycles, and lack of sustained fundamental catalysts. Overall, CYCC's current rally is viewed by many as a classic example of a low float micro cap play attracting speculative money where timing and discipline are critical. Traders are watching key technical levels, short interest data, and unusual options activity to gauge whether the stock has more room to run or if today's spike will quickly reverse like similar plays in this space. So yeah, 329%, that's the gain we have in this session. So this is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. It's 200-day moving average, which underscores the underlying trend is sloping bearishly lower. So it's showing that strength within the whole within that whole underlying trend. So higher prices are expected to keep printing, going all the way towards Friday, the 22nd of August. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. If anything, you should expect that lower prices. You should expect that a pullback should occur, given this immense amount of gains, a run up. But for some reason, the algos think it's going to continue to print higher prices, and even the momentum indication is saying that it's going to remain strong. Momentum will even get stronger by Monday, the 21st of July. You can't rely on that at all. Before now, as of about a week ago, yeah, is that a week ago, 2 weeks ago? Yeah, 2 weeks ago, the projection was 38.97. Just a day before that time, the projection was 38.97, 63.56, 86.4, and 100 and 100.52. So those are possible projections. They're not in play now. Those are possible projections. It's a sort of price that it has the prospect, it has the potential of testing. Let's see what the market grid is going to indicate for the price of the stock. It should be trading at a premium, at a huge premium to the it's trading at a very significant premium to that. So maybe by later sessions we might find something different. So here we can also see that even though the price pressure momentum is extremely bullish, but the derivatives are all negative, indicating that caution is warranted. This can't hold, even though the algos are extrapolating higher prices, but the um, price pressure momentum indicators, or rather derivatives, are warning that you can't rely on this extrapolation. You can't rely on them. You can see that. You can't rely on them. Let's see now. So we can't. There are no. I mean, we've seen the upper projections here. These are the upper projections. We really can't see anything. I mean, what more can we look for? That we have up to $100 up to 100.52, 86.40, 63.56, 38.97. How high can we go? Indeed, possibly could go even higher, but yeah, I think that's quite decent. In maybe in the if it continues to print higher price, then we'll try and see. You know. So let's see what we have here on the 4 hour chart. It's 7.52. It's a downward projection. Okay, you can here now we can see the algos. The price pressure momentum is indicating that momentum is going to fizzle out anytime. It should be fizzling out anytime soon. You can see how extremely bullish the price pressure momentum is. Trend mode is begins from 0.25. This is at 202, 204. So this is extremely bullish. And then, but the derivatives are not indicating any weakness. But regardless, we just caution is really warranted here. We have high prices are still extrapolated to keep printing up till Thursday, the 17th of July. There's no guarantee that that will be the case at all. No guarantee at all. You know, we could just jump all the way to okay. We could just have a look at the other hourly charts, see what they're saying. We have 6.93. It's a downward projection, so sideways movement is pretty much what is extrapolated here up till yeah sideways movement. Yeah, going all the way towards Tuesday, the 22nd of July. Let's have a look at the 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, higher prices extrapolated to keep printing. Down projection is 5.11. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So we have upper projection as well. No, sorry, downward projection 4.98. Nothing to the upside, just higher prices extrapolated. Okay, let's see now. Um, let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. So intraday high is 18.35. So it's also an upper projection. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. What does it say here? It's saying 17.76. Okay, so something close to 18.35 here. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute chart. Okay, nothing to the upside as such. We have 9.4. All of them are down projections: 7.3, 8.14, 9.48. So yeah, if anything, if you're looking for higher prices, you can. This is one of them, 18.35, and then in 18.35. Then we have these other ones here from from early this month. We have 38.97, 63.56, 86.40, 100.52. We've seen stocks like this that have continued to print high prices regardless, but you really can't rely on this. Really can't rely on this. Okay, so see what you make of CYCC, and thank you very much for watching this video.